Far away from the sun, where sunlight has grown faint, after traveling billions of kilometers, there is a cold blue planet, quietly drifting through the darkness. It is not as bright and massive as Jupiter. It does not stand out, with giant rings like Saturn. But Neptune is one of the most mysterious and violent worlds in our solar system. From far away, it looks like a peaceful blue jewel, calm, silent, almost beautiful beyond belief. But beneath that deep blue color, there are terrifying winds, racing faster than almost anywhere else. In the solar system, there are massive dark storms, a freezing atmosphere, and secrets that humanity has only touched once. This is Neptune, the blue planet, at the far edge of our solar system. From far away, Neptune looks peaceful, a deep blue planet, cold, distant, and quietly drifting at the far edge of the solar system. But that is only what we see from the outside. Beneath that calm blue color, there is a world filled with violent storms. On Neptune, winds can reach speeds of more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. But what made Neptune truly famous was a giant dark spot that once appeared in its atmosphere. Scientists called it the Great Dark Spot. But it was not a hole on the surface of the planet, and it was not a dark piece of land. It was something far more powerful, a massive storm spinning deep inside Neptune's freezing atmosphere. And this storm was so large that the entire Earth could fit inside it. Around the storm, bright white methane clouds were being pulled and stretched by incredibly powerful winds. From far away, the Great Dark Spot looked almost like a dark eye opening on the face of a blue planet, quiet, cold, almost motionless. But inside, the atmosphere was violent, restless, and completely chaotic. So the Great Dark Spot was not just a storm. It was a reminder that Neptune is not as peaceful as its beautiful blue color makes it seem. It is a living world, a violent world, and a mysterious world, still hiding countless secrets beneath its cold clouds, far out at the edge of the solar system.